Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is a quick video to show how to make curve test in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to create a design, or we can choose a template to create a design. In this tutorial, I will use Instagram post clicking. Then an IG post design is created, and then we can go to the toolbar on the left. We can find text, click it, and then we can add text box. Next, we can type. For example, I type curve text. I want to enlarge it, so I click it, or we can type to enter the value. For example, I type 90. Next, we can go to effects and then go down to bottom. We can find curve, click it, and then we can make the text curve. And then we can go to the bottom. We can change the curvature of the curve. For example, we can go to 0 to make it straight, or we can make it negative to change the shape of the curve. So this is how we can make curve test in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video. Bye bye.